Well folks, I'm here at Devonport and can you believe it? I've found this Prado, the Shorty Prado. Has anyone ever seen one of these? Look at it. It's in perfect nick, perfect condition. I will let you in on a secret. It is a mate of mine living in Burnie. We just came out and meet each other for coffee. And I said, mate, I've got to do a little bit of a rundown on your Shorty. Look at it. Absolutely sensational. Look at that. So it's a 2009 50 Prado, 3 litre. But would you check it out, eh? Oh, no door here. Look at this. It's in absolutely pristine condition. Look at this, eh? Absolutely unreal. He's done a bit of a facelift here with the stereo, so he's changed a few things around here. Look at that, eh? Absolutely. Smells like a new car, just about. What great condition that it's in. Can't believe it, hey? Look at it. It's the same colour as mine. Still got the cover on it. And plenty of room in the back here, look at that. It's got all these little bits and pieces in the back here. It's even still got this on there. Look at that. Absolutely unreal. Incredible, aren't they? Look at this. I'm allowed to say the word cute. Cute little car. I do have Dave here though. He's in the background. Dave, what do you think of it, mate? You're the driver of the Shorty.
I wouldn't trade it for anything else. I'd keep it.
So mate, you tell me, what's it like?
It's awesome.
Yeah.
I would not swap this car for anything in the world. I love it.
Yeah.
Little bit jittery on the highway being the short wheelbase.
Yeah.
But besides that, beautiful little car.
Yeah.
I'll keep it till it dies and then fix it and keep driving it.
Now you, I mean, it's pretty stock standard and it's looking pretty good.
Pretty much, yes. Coming up to 16 years old now. Yeah, you just take care of them and they keep going.
And you do more touring?
Yeah, long distance driving, usually touring around.
Not so much,
up and down the east coast, across to South Australia.
Yep.
We're all around Tasmania now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's in absolutely pristine condition, mate.
Of course, I'm good.
It is. No, it's looking awesome, mate.
Excellent, thank you.
So, and you've changed the stereo.
That's about it. Change the stereo. Besides that, just basic maintenance stuff. Water pumps, shock absorbers, brake pads, tyres. That's it. Windscreens.
Yep.
That's all I've had to change on it.
Yep. Nice, mate.
Yeah.
Oh well. Thank you.
Lots of thanks to Anthony from 4x4 Prado as well, and Prado 150 out of here for doing such good little videos.
Oh, thanks, mate. Well, how was that, hey? That was Dave. Dave's a mate of mine. I've known him back in the early days when Shelley and I first got married at Mount Isa. We lived in Mount Isa. Dave and I met. We haven't kind of caught up with each other for quite a number of years. He became a subscriber to Prado 150 out of here. We thought we'd meet up today because he's in Tasmania. I actually forgot that he had a Shorty. So I thought I'd show you guys what an awesome little car they are. I hope you enjoyed that.